Today we got this Jeep Wrangler. It had a bunch of paint on it. As you can see, like this right here, it was covering most of the area over here. So I was trying to find different ways on how to remove it. These are the products that we're using. We're using actually the clay bar that comes with this kit, the quick detailer, and at the end we're using Ultimate Compound wax. So this is an area that I've just finished, and it was a lot more covered than as you see here. This is basically paint. It seems like it was off from the road. Now we're in the process of working on this right here. So far I ran the clay bar a bit, and as you can see, I'd say at least 80-90% is gone. So just gave it a wipe just to show you guys. This is without even waxing it. We already got a pretty good shine. There's just a few little spots here and there, but using half of a clay bar, not bad. This is the half clay bar that I used. As you can see, it did really take out a lot. So like this area right here, there's some paint spots. What we do is just spray a little bit, grab the clay bar, and then kind of use it kind of like an eraser with a little bit of pressure, not too much. And as you go, you're gonna see it's gonna start to disappear. So you see, it's starting to become a lot more smoother. Once finished, all you gotta do is give it a quick wipe and let it dry out a bit. So this is when it's dried out, and I didn't even wax it yet, and you can already tell like this thing is just beautiful. And that's a clay bar. That thing looks nasty. That's how it's supposed to be, all white. After that, just hit it with a little bit of Ultimate Compound, and that thing is gonna be shining like new. This area right here, check out those little paint spots. Just a little bit of spray, and then start at it with a clay bar. We're just gonna give it a quick wipe. So this is when it dried out. There's just a few little spots between the wording. Probably have to go through it again. But all in all, so far only took me about 15 minutes to do just a few panels, and it looks like brand new. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe.